Hello dear fans. How to measure energy consumption. To find out the amount of electricity consumed by a section of the circuit, it is enough to measure the electrical power. You can measure this parameter in two simple ways, either using a special device that measures power, or by measuring the magnitude of the current and voltage. Necessary: multimeter or wattmeter, screwdriver, a small coil of wire, knife. Instructions. Step 1. De-energize the electrical circuit on which you will make measurements. Turn off the input circuit breaker or switch. Disconnect one of the power leads from the input switching device. In its place, connect the required piece of wire with the ends, pre-stripped with a knife, to the required length. Measure two lengths of wire. The length of the wire must match the distance between the meter and the electrical equipment. Step 2. Connect the wattmeter to the electrical circuit. Connect the current channel to the prepared gap. Connect the voltage channel to the output switching device using wires. Apply voltage to the circuit. Determine the value of the power consumption on the indicator of the device and record the obtained value as the result of measurement by the direct method P1. Step 3. Measure indirectly. Connect a multimeter to the prepared open circuit of the electrical circuit and put the device into the current measurement mode. Turn on the voltage supply device input breaker or circuit breaker. Fix the data displayed on the indicator of the device. Disconnect the circuit voltage. Disconnect the multimeter from the circuit and restore the circuit as it was before the measurements. Re-energize the circuit. Change the operating mode of the multimeter to voltage measurement mode. Measure the value of the supply voltage at the output terminals of the switching device using the test leads of the device. Record the measurement result. Multiply the current in amperes by the voltage in volts. The result is the power consumption in watts. Step 4. Compare the values obtained from direct and indirect measurements. If the obtained values differ greatly from each other, repeat the measurements for a reliable result. Thanks for watching.